Wow, I love your hair, baby girl. Where are we going?
To play bubble.
Bowling. We're going bowling for the first time. You've never been before, have you?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna win? Baba, Mama, or Dada?
Maybe.
Reggie.
Maybe. Evelyn.
I think Evelyn's gonna win as well. You're crazy. We're going to Mega Bangna shopping centre today and we're going to go bowling. Evelyn's never been bowling before, so this is exciting, isn't it? Yeah, I've never been bowling here, but it looks fun. We found it! Woohoo! Are you ready to go bowling?
Ready. Ooh.
So ready. Woohoo! Evelyn's loving her bowling shoes. What did you say?
Thank you.
Oh, are they comfy? She's so excited. Baba's first time bowling. Sexy shoes. Okay, Mummy's going first. Ready? I scored 7. Come on, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Oh, good job, Dada. Baba's turn. Ready? You have to give it a big push.
Are you ready?
Ready? Big push, Evs. Oh. Good job, Baba. High five.
Good.
And Mama? Yes. It's like a disco in here, isn't it? Go, Baba. Go, Baba. Yay!
Good dance. Oh yeah.
His last go of the game. Terrible. Absolutely terrible.
So bad.
You still won. Oh. Terrible scores by all 3 of us, to be honest.
The last 4 pins.
Are you ready?
Oh my god.
Couldn't have been anything.
Well, that wraps it up. Rubbish.
What did you think? How was bowling?
Good.
Who won?
Evelyn.
Evelyn's the winner! Woohoo! We finished bowling and I just wanted to grab a few bits of shopping while Evelyn's eating a donut. I just went to H&M Home and oh my god, they've got things like 70% off, 50% off, so Aaron's just gone to run the bikes to the car. And now I'm just going into IKEA. I just want some new like storage bits and bobs before the 25th comes, so that we're nice and organised. So yeah. I've literally just come out the elevator and the thing I'm looking for is right here. I want one of these for all of Evelyn's arts and crafts stuff in her room because it's currently all in a big box, so she can just access it herself easily. So, winner, winner. Oh, ow.
Sorry.
Thank you for saying sorry. Yeah, your driving skills are as good as your mum's.
She gets them from you, doesn't she? Careful.
IKEA's like a playground. I went all in IKEA. Are you thrilled, or? Huh? A little 8 bars ice cream treat. That's it. Here it goes. Yummy. Don't know how this has happened, but we've ended up sofa shopping. Your foot come out. Anywhere is a playground for Evelyn Rose. I can hear you giggling everywhere. Christmas.
Look at Santa Christmas and Santa's sleigh car.
Wow, in his sleigh car.
Yeah.
And this is where I'm gonna finish the vlog. We ordered a sofa and an armchair, and now we're at home building all of our IKEA business. Reggie Riley.
Escalated quick today, didn't it?
Did escalate quick.
Gee whiz.
Hey ho.